Welcome back to the Microlearning Institute. In this short tutorial we look at the fundamental principles of IAS 20, Accounting for Government Grants. IAS 20 prescribes the accounting for and disclosure of government grants and assistance. A fundamental principle is that government grants shall not be recognised until there is reasonable assurance that 1. The entity will comply with any conditions attached to the grant, and 2. The grant will be received. However, even if a grant has been received, this does not prove that the conditions attached to it have been or will be fulfilled. IAS 20 requires that government grants shall be recognised as income over the periods necessary to match them with related costs which they are intended to compensate on a systematic basis. IAS 20 states that government grants shall not be credited directly to shareholder interests. IAS 20 prescribes the accounting treatment for the following three types of grants. 1. Grants relating to assets. 2. Grants relating to income. And 3. Non-monetary government grants. In relation to grants relating to assets, IAS 20 permits the following two methods of presentation. 1. We can present the grant as deferred income, which is recognised as income on a systematic and rational basis over the useful life of the asset. Or 2. Deducting the grant in arriving at the carrying value of the asset, in which case the grant is recognised in income over the life of the asset by way of a reduced depreciation charge. It is important to note that the profits recorded under both approaches will be exactly the same in each financial period. In relation to grants relating to income, IAS 20 prescribes the following methods for these types of grants. 1. Present the grant received in the income statement either separately or under a general heading such as Other Income. And 2. Net the grant off against the related item of expenditure. A government grant that becomes repayable shall be accounted for as a revision to an accounting estimate under IAS 8, Accounting Policies, Changes in Accounting Estimates and Errors. Thank you for listening to this short tutorial from the Microlearning Institute on the topic of IAS 20, Government Grants.